Another day, another job. I hope you like the thumbnail, whatever I decided to pick. This time it might be slightly related to the job. Title, I'll have thought of it by the time I've uploaded this. I hope the title is as bad as possible. Welcome to the Professor Plumb YouTube channel. Should we just get straight into it? Let's get straight into this mother. So there's our leak. Definitely a leak, isn't it?
I'm frightened to, have a shower or do anything.
So there's our little leak there. You come up, it's going to be right under that bed. I can't see where else it could be. Now, boiler. I would say there's probably a slight drop on that, but we don't know 100%. So, let's get this all shifted. So to find where it is, I need to measure it out. So, 2 hands. 5 foot. In the outside wall. About 9 foot. What's that, darling? 5 foot, so it's the right there. Probably something to do with it's either the radiator or there's a bathroom there. The point was trying to pull that any further. I've now got to pull it this way, so let's take this door off. Right, this is my board. I can't see any screw holes whatsoever, so I tried gently prying it. So I thought I'd give it a double check, obviously, just make sure 100% there wasn't just a bit of filler over the screw holes. No, that are no screw holes. It was glued down. It was very, very well glued down. I don't know what they used, but oh well. Well, my initial thoughts were, it looked like concrete board, to be honest with you, because it was that sort of grey, I don't know. Anyway, I think it's going to be tongue and groove. So I'm going to go off and get a saw and very gently cut down the channels. And then go from there. But it means I've got to go off and get a power tool, because I don't keep all my power tools on the van anymore. Stuff that, they're in a lockup at home, safe. So I just get what power tools I need on the day. That's just the way it is at the minute. Power tool, tool theft, just ludicrous. So, do you guys bother bringing yours in every night, or do you just bring what you need? How are you dealing with it? It's just a pain. Right, let's set the depth. So, so there we go. You can see, look, just gonna go in there. Let's get it cut. Right. Right, so the reason that we set the depth is obviously there could be pipes running on top of joists. So you just always set the depth so that you're only really cutting through the board and you're not going to be cutting through no pipes and making it worse and making the customer's house flood more. So the boiler's been turned off. Why? Why? What do we reckon is leaking? Is this plastic pipes? Oh no. We've got condensate pipe. This joint here at the back, I think. But there we go. Get that back. Oh no. Let's take a closer look. So, car stop beeping. You can see that one's glued. That one, not glued at all. No, it's got a little divot there as well. Like it's, I don't know, been melted or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, they put so much glue in the other end that it's actually blocked it up. Great. Well, semi-blocked it up. So, we've got our new condensate pipe and condensate fittings. Make sure they are, just a tip for people just starting out, not for you guys that know everything. Make sure you use condensate fittings and condensate pipe, not overflow pipe and overflow fittings, because if you do, it will just chew through it. It's too acidic. It doesn't like it. These are special fittings for condensate. So let's get it glued up and put everything back together. I better get some wood filler or something, can I really? Because I've chipped the corners as I pried it up, because the fucker was glued down. Oh, fuck right off. There we go. God, that was tight. There we go. Oh, made that a bit bloody tight for myself there, haven't I, son? Yeah, you fucking know it. Can't make it easy for myself. I have to do things the hard way. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, yes, boy. Right, so as a professional, get yourself a diamond brush and then just sweep it all like that. Straight into the ceiling void. Because it's only a bit of dust. Oh, I would have swept it all. Watch me do it. Get angry, go on, comment. Oh, I hope this is making me really upset. Ha ha ha. Right, so let's mark it with Joyce, just so that when we're screwing, you know where we're going. Even on the end ones, just so that you know you're not completely missing the joist. Right, as much as this isn't a chippy channel, it's not a chippy channel, it's a plumb channel. Countersink your screws, make sure that you do everything correctly. Also, I did have to batten out the other side, so I didn't actually show that bit, but I battened it out, and it's all good. Look, I'm stood on it, it's fine. Full screw down. Now we've got some of this ultra tough wood filler. Get rid of that hole, we'll patch it up a bit, and then just any other major bits. Well, it's two-part stuff, so stick that in there. We'll give it a mix about. Let's get all of it out. Come on. Ooh, it's got a nice little spreader, but we've also got these, which we got from Tool Fair for free from this company. Crowbar. Right. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, it's too good. Right. clear as your nose. Right, so that's all now set. We'll start getting this carpet back down. Right, do I cut to the end of the job? Do you really need to see me put carpet down? I don't know. Is there anything interesting? Maybe not. So really boring content here. Just make sure on your jaw trim, that's the only bit where you got to sort of just push it under. This is a perfect little tool. It's a little Nerad scraper knife. It's perfect for getting under there. It's the perfect width, perfect size, perfect shape. Put that under there, and then we'll just give that a hoover up, and I think we're pretty much done. Oh, also hang the door. So great! Wow, you've pat on the back. You've made it this far through the video, so that's actually an achievement. That door's back on. Carpet's back on. Oh, looks good around the edge. I can line everything perfectly up to make sure everything that is exactly where it was before. Wouldn't even know I've been in here. Before I forget. Up, on. I've already topped the pressure up anyway. So there we go. Job done. Job jobbed. So I hope you enjoyed that video. This is the part of the video where I beg you, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Look, there's a banner there, and there's one there, and there's one there, and now you can't even see me because there's so many subscribe emojis. What do you got? Stickers? I don't know. Anyway, I'm back. I'm here. Thanks for watching. If you appreciated this video, you can like it if you want. I will try and make this a more of a regular thing. It's just talking whilst working rather than doing voiceovers. May have had to do some voiceovers as well. But yeah, there we go. So I quite enjoy long form content. We're staying in portrait, by the way, boys. I know there was one person on the last video who complained about it, and to that person I will say this: unsubscribe. I don't care. Bye.